Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today. And what I'm going to do is today is a little bit different. I'm going to get up on this ladder and I'm going to clear the gutters because we have a lot of leaves there and they kind of get bunched up together and the water kind of like accumulates there. So I'm going to go up this ladder and I'm going to do that. My hubby here, he's the one holding the camera. He's going to hold the ladder and I'm going up there, and I want to show you how much of the leaves is in there. So I'm gonna put on my gloves because my hands are going into the gutter there. Okay. Now, now I'm holding the camera. I'm going up the ladder here and he's holding it. Okay, do you see right there? See all that? I already cleared this here, but I have to do all of those. And the reason why I'm doing this is also mainly he does it, but he just had surgery and I really don't want him to get hurt or anything, so I'm doing it and it's not that bad. It's not that bad. Okay, so just give me a chance here. He's going to continue recording. Hubby, could you grab the camera? Thank you. Alrighty, I need a broomstick. Let's see. With this broomstick, I'm not sure if you can see it, I can reach all the way to there without having to move the ladder or move the ladder the least time. So this is something that happens very often, and usually he does it, but look at all these leaves that I'm grabbing. Look at that. See? The whole thing is full. And right now there's not much water in there, so look, they'll come out even by themselves. Look at that, how easily they come out. But it could be a pain in the butt job, every time you have to do it. We might, do something later on so that we won't have to go through it. But for now, we help each other out. We usually help each other out with house chores. But I mainly do the inside and he does the outside of the house. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get those on this side over here. I'm going to drag them over here so that I can. See how much? It almost seems like endless, but oh, and I got the other side, the front side of the house. I already did all that side, so now we're doing the back. Alright, so we're going to have to move the ladder more or less up to here. You see where this leaf is? Right there, because I can't reach anymore. So that's how I'm going to get down slowly. You have to be very careful when you go up these ladders. No one wants to get hurt, Okay, so we are going to move that ladder all the way, like more or less to the middle. I think it would be good. Alright, YouTube viewers, I'll leave the video up to here. I just wanted to show you that part, and happy holidays. Thanks for watching.